you, everyone. Let's come here. Come here to find the millipede. Oh, this is a very nice place. Oh, what is that? Ooh, take a look. Everyone, take a look. Oh, the millipedes. Oh, the millipedes is eating the mango. Oh, millipedes eating the mango. Oh, millipedes everywhere. Oh, look at here. Oh, the millipedes is from African giant millipedes. Oh, scorpion. Oh, that's really big scorpion. Oh, millipedes here. Oh, millipedes more everywhere. Oh, let's take a look together. Oh, this look really nice. Oh, here, millipedes. Oh, African giant millipedes. On the mango a lot. Oh, here on the top of the mango over there. It's moving on the top of the mango. Oh, let's catch it. Let's catch giant millipedes. Oh, this look very nice. Oh, take it here. Take some leaf here. Take it inside. Oh, let's catch the millipedes. Oh, it's very. Oh, scorpion. Oh, scorpion. Oh, it's a big scorpion. Oh, looks crazy. So millipedes. Oh, it's giant millipedes. Oh, I got this. The millipedes. Here, another one millipede. It's very big and with a brown color. Oh, it's very nice color. Wow, everyone here, millipedes. That's amazing creature in the jungle. Oh, the millipedes is eating. It's one brown is smaller. Oh, you see, millipede face. African giant millipedes. See. Oh, take around. Oh, there's one more. Here, it's moving down. It's very big. Very big millipedes. Oh, it's nice color. Oh, it's very nice. That is very nice. Oh, that's one more. There's one more millipede. Oh, sorry. I don't want to make it drop down quickly. It can die. Oh. Let's turn around. Oh, the scorpion. Oh, one giant millipede. Yeah, it's moving very slowly. Oh, I see the millipedes. Oh, that's around. There's a lot of the millipede. Oh, let's take a look. Oh, with the scorpion. Oh, very nice scorpion. That is very big scorpion. Let's catch the scorpion. Oh, millipedes. Oh, millipedes. Oh, that looks amazing. Amazing creature. Put it here and catch more and more. Here. And one. Ooh, on the mango tree. Ooh, on the top here. Look. Oh, it's very high. And catch the lower. Oh, lower millipedes. Oh, let's take it here. And the millipedes. Oh, it's very long. It's very long millipedes. Oh, take it here. Oh, it's very easy. See, it has catch the millipedes. Oh, it's very high millipedes. Let's just see. This is longer, and to make it. Oh, sorry. Oh, here. See, the millipedes is drop down. Here. And make the millipedes drop down here. Another high millipedes. Basic. Oh, here. It's drop down there. Oh, it's bigger. What is that? Oh, scorpion. Oh, keep it. Oh, narrow red spot millipedes. Over here. It's more red spot millipedes. Oh. You see a scorpion here. Over here. Oh, scorpion. Oh, take a look with scorpion. Oh, how it's doing. Oh, scorpion. Oh, very tired. Only one place. You can't find millipedes a lot everywhere. Oh, let's take a look to another place. Oh, let's move on. Let's move forward to find the millipedes. 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 Lots of millipedes. Another millipedes. Oh, look at here, everyone. Oh, big red spot millipedes. Oh, what is here? Oh, another snail. Everyone see another cute snail here. Oh, very cute. Oh, take a look here, millipedes. Oh, it's very dark color. Oh, catch it. It's very nice, millipedes. Oh, let's take a look, everyone. Oh, scorpion. Scorpion, millipedes, why millipedes? Ooh, there's millipedes a lot. Everyone here can look here, millipedes a lot. Ooh, let's catch it. It's moving down slowly. You see? Ooh, millipedes. Ooh, everyone is see the millipedes. Here, millipedes is eating everything here. Ooh, millipedes. Ooh, why millipedes? Why millipedes here on the tops? Ooh, why millipedes? Ooh, red spot millipedes on the land here. Another red spot millipede. See, one more red spot millipede here on the mango tree. Ooh, amazing. Ooh, because the catch the giant millipedes one more. Ooh, this looks amazing, Rachel. Over there. Ooh, it's here everywhere. Let's put it down here in the tank. You can see the millipedes. Ooh, look here. Ooh, why millipedes? Ooh, one giant millipedes. Ooh, scorpion. Ooh, is a big scorpion here. Ooh, it's very big one more. Ooh, there's one more scorpion. Ooh, catch the millipede first. Ooh, millipede is sleeping. Ooh. Where is scorpion? Ooh, scorpion here with the red in here. Ooh, he's doing something. What is it? Ooh, let's try this here. Ooh, millipede and scorpion. Nice guys, millipede. Ooh, another millipedes. Ooh, another red spot millipedes here with the dark brown. Ooh, that's very nice. Ooh, millipedes. Ooh, look. Ooh. Okay, everyone, you see another giant millipedes. Here, he's sleeping. Oh, he's sleeping. He's sleeping. Oh, let's catch it. Oh, it's bigger. It's a bigger one. Oh, put it in the. It's my tank. Oh, millipede, everyone. Let's come catch it together. Not in the city, but in the jungle. Oh, take a look together. Oh, we see one millipede. Already in this catch. There's the rest of millipede there on the tops. See? It's not clear. Ooh, there's one millipede. Ooh, it's coming. Ooh, and one giant millipede. Want to get out. Ooh, okay, got a lot of millipedes. Let's move on. Ooh. Ooh, 5 more millipedes. Ooh, look at you. Ooh, millipedes. I see one more millipedes. Ooh, over there. Here. Ooh, it's a bigger millipede. Ooh, it's very nice color. Ooh, it's lots of green color. Ooh, millipedes with very big. Ooh, millipede over there. Everyone look here. Here. Ooh, another millipede. Also, another side millipede. Ooh, millipedes. Ooh, it's the millipedes. Ooh, what is here? Ooh, millipedes. Ooh, millipedes. One, two millipedes. Ooh, over there. Here, everyone. Ooh, that is in the middle, between the brainless middle millipedes. Ooh, the brainless tree. Oh, it's moving slowly. It's keep very silent. Let's take it here. Oh, look, you see, it's very nice, very dark color. You take a look here. Hey, one more giant millipede with brown color. Oh, it's moving slowly and slowly. Oh, millipedes a lot everywhere. Oh, keep it here. That's not an amazing place. Fine. Oh, another millipede is moving up on the mango tree here. Oh, it's moving, you see how it's moving. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's very nice, but let's catch it. Let's catch the millipede. Oh, one more millipede, get out. Oh, look. Oh, how it's moving. Oh. Take around. Go around. Oh, I see one more millipede. Here. The millipedes. Oh, lots. Millipedes. Oh, doing something here. Oh, put it here. Millipedes. Oh, there's so many in the giant millipedes. Oh, one more red spot millipedes here. Oh, that's a lot on everywhere. Everything you can find, catch it. Move on. No, nothing. Let's move there. Move forward. Find the millipedes more. Nothing. Millipedes. Giant millipedes. And this is a red spot millipedes with here. Giant millipedes. That's look very nice. Millipedes, 2 millipedes more. And red spot millipede also. Over there. Here. That's a lot of millipedes. And where is the red spot millipede? He's moving quickly here. See, another red spot millipede. With the snail, the small snail with the red spot millipede. Very nice. That's amazing. I see another red spot millipede. That's good. I see one more red spot millipede. Take it here. One more millipedes. Wow, millipedes. This very nice color. Take a look. This very nice color millipedes. It's really like this. Let's take a look together, everyone. Take a look together. Millipedes a lot. Millipedes a lot. Scorpion. Take it here. Wow, millipede. Scorpion. The rest for millipedes. Take a look, everyone. Amazing. That's so amazing. There's this scorpion. And the scorpion. Scorpion. White millipedes. There is another white millipedes. There's spot millipedes. That's a lot. Look, it's so amazing. That's so amazing creature. This is red spot millipede with the red color, and white millipedes with the white color. Red spot millipedes a lot. And down there. It's nice color with different many all kinds of insects warm in here. Looks so amazing. Looks so amazing. Very nice. It's good to find more, everyone. Look at there. That's amazing creature.